Hey there and welcome to a new video. In today's video, I will take you through a platform where you can practice SQL and Python online. Now, if you are serious about learning to code in SQL and Python, in current scenario, even if you learn to install a particular software on your system, you are not going to use the exact same software in a actual work environment because the company will be using a very different software or a custom software depending upon their requirement. So there is no point in learning to install a particular software. Hence, in this video, we will see how to practice SQL online without any installation, and it is going to be completely free. And I have tested this my own, so don't worry about paying anything, it's completely free. And to learn to code in SQL and Python, actually you don't need a very expensive system or a very sophisticated software. The only thing you need is a browser and a system with minimal configuration. So that will help you learn SQL and Python, and definitely that will take you to good roles. So don't waste time on installing particular software. Instead, utilize that time also to learn something in SQL and Python. So now let us go and see which is the platform and how to access the platform and see how we can write small code in the particular platform. The platform that we are going to see in the video is the Programmist platform. Using this platform, we can practice different coding languages as well as different libraries. So if we go down, we can see there is Python, there is a SQL IDE, there is R IDE where we can practice R, then there is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then there are similar other languages as well like Java, C, and coming down we can see there are libraries as well available on this platform, that is NumPy and Pandas, which are very useful for data analysis using Python, is also available here. So that also we can practice using this particular platform. Now let us go and see in the SQL IDE how we can write SQL code and get output for the particular query. So right click on this, open it in a new tab, and we will go to a Learn SQL window. Here we can also learn the basics of SQL in this particular platform. Now going down, there will be an option where we can open an IDE. So this is the option to open the IDE, that is Run SQL Online. Now open this, it will open another window where we can see the IDE. So here we have the code editor window, that is the input window, and now here the output will appear. And whatever table we are creating will be available on the left side. This is the table schema that is available within the Programmist platform, and also we can create our own table using the create table statement. And this is the pictorial representation of the table that is available within the database, that is within the Programmist platform. Now similar to how we write SQL within the SSMS platform or the Azure SQL Studio, we can write the same SQL here and get the output. So here there is already a query written, that is select first name and age from the customers table. Run this code and let us see the output. So it is already available here. Now we will modify the query. So we don't want first name and age. Instead we will make use of another table, that is the orders table. Orders. Now from the orders table we will take the order ID item, order underscore ID, comma, and second column will be item. Run SQL and let us see the output. So we have the output, that is order ID and item. And also you can create tables, you can create views, you can write complex queries using joins, you can learn concepts like window function. All these things can be learned using this particular IDE. So this is a completely free platform where you can practice SQL, and this will definitely help you. Try and see. And now coming to Python, let us go back to the home window and let us click on Python. Right click here, open it in a new tab, and this will take us to another tab where we can see learn Python programming, and here also we can learn the basics of Python. Now coming down, there is a option to take us to the Python IDE. So here is the option, that is Run Python Online. Open this in a new tab, and here we can see that there is the input code editor window and this is the output window. Now simply click on this. There is already a code available here, that is print try programmist.pro. Run this and we will see the output. Here we can see the output, that is code execution is successful, and we have the output. Similarly, we can write our custom code. So let us write a code where we are simply creating a list, that is list equal to 1, 2, ABC. So I have created a list. Now I want to print the list, that is print underscore parenthesis list. Run this and hopefully it will be printed. So we can see that the particular output can be seen in this window, and the program whatever we have can be written in this particular window. So this is the platform or IDE where we can practice Python, and this is the particular online SQL editor or IDE where we can practice SQL. If you think this video have been useful and added some value to you, subscribe our channel for more advanced content in SQL, Python and data related concept. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Thank you.